What documents do I need for Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, a thought pops into your head. I should probably open an Ally Bank account. Hook, but wait, what documents do I need? Context. We've all been there. We see an ad for a bank offering amazing rates or convenient features, and we think, that sounds great. But then the reality sets in: paperwork. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ally Bank and uncover the documents you'll need to get started. Main content. 1. The basics. Before we get into the specifics, let's cover some essential information. Ally Bank is an online bank, so you won't need to visit a physical branch. This means you'll need to provide some digital documentation. Here are the basic documents you'll likely need. Identification. This usually includes your driver's license, passport, or state-issued ID card. Social Security number. You'll need to provide your Social Security number for tax reporting purposes. Proof of address. This could be a utility bill, rental agreement, or bank statement. 2. Account type. The specific documents you'll need may vary depending on the type of account you're opening. Here's a breakdown. Checking account. For a checking account, you'll typically need the basic documents mentioned above. Savings account. Similar to a checking account, you'll need the basic identification, Social Security number, and proof of address. Certificate of deposit, CD. When opening a CD, you may need to provide additional information, such as your investment goals or risk tolerance. Money market account. A money market account may require additional documentation, such as proof of income or net worth. 3. Online verification. Ally Bank uses advanced online verification tools to streamline the account opening process. This means you may be able to upload documents directly through their website or app. Be prepared to provide clear, legible copies of your documents. If there are any issues with the quality of the images, you may be asked to provide physical copies. 4. Additional documents. In certain cases, you may need to provide additional documents. For example, business accounts. If you're opening a business account, you'll likely need to provide documentation related to your business, such as articles of incorporation or a business license. Joint accounts. If you're opening a joint account with someone else, both parties will need to provide their identification and proof of address. Foreign nationals. If you're not a U.S. citizen, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as a visa or green card. 5. Tips for a smooth process. To ensure a smooth account opening process, keep the following tips in mind. Gather your documents ahead of time. Having all the necessary documents ready will save you time and frustration. Check for online verification options. Ally Bank may offer online verification tools that can speed up the process. Be prepared for potential requests. If there are any issues with your documents, be prepared to provide additional information or copies. Conclusion. Opening an Ally Bank account is a relatively simple process, but it's important to be prepared with the necessary documentation. By gathering the required documents and understanding the account opening process, you can easily get started with Ally Bank. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.